ba, may napilitaan na po, open na daw yung position para sa manager.
Sa tingin mo naman sino yung possible maging manager sa company natin?
Tingin ko si Miss Delay.
I think mas deserving ako sa position bilang manager kasi in terms of age and experience, mas lamang and mas mataas yung experience ko mas sa kanya. Well, agree naman ako sa sinabi ni Mr. Perdiguera, pero kasi si Miss De Leon, 10 years na siya dito, tapos 10 years na rin siya dito. So, siya yung may ma-experience dito, di ba?
Meanwhile,
So, mag-ising ka rin siya Mr. Perdiguera. Lalaki yung client natin here.
Yes. That's why open naman yung manager position. Eh, bakit nila yung trabaho? I recommend Mr. Perdiguera, sir. Since mas nakikita ko siya ng potential.
Paano naman si Miss De Leon? Sa taon na siya rito, alam ko na rin kung paano makalakad niya.
Sir, mas deserve ni Mr. Perdiguera kasi mas nakikita ko siya ng leadership skills since lalaki siya kesa kay Miss De Leon.
Okay, then
tomorrow.
Sir, ganun po naman sa amin.
okay, yun.
Open ko lang po doon about sa manager position po. Since matagal naman na po ako dito and alam ko na po yung mga facilities na kailangan ko. Siguro naman po deserve ko na po after 10 years na magpaninilbi ako dito sa company.
Hey, sir, mas okay si Mr. Perdiguera kasi mas bata siya. Mas nakikita ko sa potential, sir. Dito na-unlock niyo yung company group natin within 1 year, sir. Since
Day 2.
Come in. I have summoned you both. So, aware naman kayo na open yung manager position.
Yes, bro.
And yung pinagpasayan ko nun is yung pag-lock na kontrata. And ang nakalock nun is none other than Mr. Perdiguera. Mr. Perdiguera.
Thank you po.
Congratulations.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Congrats.
Good day, everyone. This is the presentation of the Group 2 with our assigned topic, Workplace Discrimination. Our role play shows that there is a connection between workplace discrimination and gender discrimination, such as our key issues, gender discrimination, particularly in work promotion, where we can see that even though my female employee na qualified for the position, they still chose to overlook her just because she is a woman. They disregard the fact that she has a lot of potential since matagal na nga siya sa company, and she can also lead. They think that men are the only one who's capable in terms of leadership. And how does it connect with theoretical perspectives? It connects to the theory with the conflict theory by Karl Marx, which suggests that societal structures, including those in workplace, are shaped by power and economic interests. According to this theory, the under-promotion of women reinforce patriarchal structures, maintaining power imbalances and perpetuating inequality. In our role play, the preference for male leaders over qualified female candidates illustrates how these power dynamics play out, ensuring that men continue to hold positions of authority while women are marginalized. The scenario in our role play highlights that sometimes promotions are not solely based on ability but are influenced by these underlying biases in power structure. Thank you.